Hey everyone, welcome to Wildwood and Lavender Farm. I think this is day 16 of the June on the Farm series. I apologize for not being here on Friday. I had forgot when I signed off on Thursday that I was going to a farmer's market on Friday up in a little town, northwest of us. So I didn't quite get a video made because when I came home I was just tuckered and didn't feel like getting anything more done. So now it is Sunday, and today my plan is to weed the first corn and bean field that I planted here in the chicken run garden and hopefully clear out this pathway that's here. It's just full of weeds, so hoping to clear those out as well. There's a couple other things I'd like to try to get done. We'll see how that works. I need some more cages for my tomato plants, and I was going to make some out of some fencing that we have. So that's another project that I would like to work on, as well as getting our other garden cleared up and ready for tilling so that I can plant the rest of my tomatoes, because those desperately need to get planted. So don't know if all that will get done today. We'll see. But I'm going to get to weeding in here. Okay, we're going to get the sprinklers going on the pumpkin again. Some of them are looking a little wilty. But we were noticing that some of our hills didn't have any pumpkins growing in them. The seeds just weren't viable, or else they were germinating and then didn't get the water they needed, and so they died. So I have here 2 more types of pumpkins that I'm going to plant. They're little tiny white ones. Let's see if I can show you. See if you can see that. Anyway, you can kind of make out the picture there. Just little tiny white ones that I thought would make good decorating even into the winter. Because white for snow, right? White pumpkins in the winter. Alright, well, this is the end of the day. It's not the end of the day, but it's the end of our work on the farm for right now. It's only 82 right now, but it's actually supposed to reach to the 90s later on into the afternoon, early evening. So we're gonna wrap it up. When it's a little bit cooler, I think I'll come out and pick some raspberries, because there's quite a few on the vine right now. So we got some weeding done, we got some rototilling done. Tomorrow or the day after, I should actually be able to plant the rest of my tomato plants and maybe a few other types of seeds as well. So we shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.